Right then, so I got a pretty good deal on a second-hand Traxxas Maxx. It was standard, completely stock when I bought it, but I've made a couple of changes. I've put on one of the rear protectors. Still got the standard motor and ESC. I've swapped the receiver to run my Radio Link RC4 GS. I've fitted a GPM Alloy Gear cover and a 50-tooth Steel Spur Gear. I've also added the shock extenders front and rear. That just gives it a bit more suspension travel without slapping the chassis. And what else did I do? On the shocks I have fitted the M2C Pistons. So yeah, we'll give it a rip and see how it goes first drive. So the suspension seems very soft, maybe a bit too soft. Just getting a feel for it. It just slammed down though there. Just about got that one. Nice. Maybe the shocks are okay. It's very quiet compared to some of my other cars. Yeah, feels pretty good. I think with the those shock extenders, it's definitely helping. I think like the suspension's a bit soft otherwise if it didn't have them on there, but it's just giving me a little bit more travel. Definitely feels quite clumsy to drive, like high centre of gravity. sign. So yeah, I'd heard about this issue. The hub has popped out. You can see the two pins there, and basically I think the plastic is flexing when you crash, and it allows it to pop out. I don't think anything's broken. I think I can put that back in, but I have ordered the well, I've got them actually, they're here already, I just haven't fitted them. So I have already got the GPM C hubs, the alloy upgrades, because I knew that this was a problem. I guess it depends on how you land. You know, you could go a long time without this ever happening, but I've managed to do it on my first run. I guess that's my bad driving. Okay, so I'll just quickly show you before I put it back together. Took the wheel off and I've unscrewed these two pins, and then I can slide the hub back in and screw the pins back in. So nothing broke, it's just that this C hub is able to flex and this just pops out. So yeah, that's it. Okay, so all back together now. Nice quick easy fix, but I think it's probably worthwhile adding those alloy C hubs. I'm also rocking the Velcro strap around the body. I've seen Snorri doing this. Good idea really, because the clipless body system, this body, it does pop off, which can get a bit annoying. So yeah, just got a Velcro strap on there, and it works quite well because the chassis design, the Velcro is generally out of the way when the chassis does slap on the ground. Yeah, I suppose one of the downsides to jumping on the grass is if you do crash and land awkwardly on a corner, then it tends to dig in, rather than on like dirt or gravel. You might slide when you crash. The grass just sort of bites, and yeah, I think that's probably why that hub popped out. Not quite.
Excellent.
Front flip. Always luck of the draw with those, but you won't get them unless you try. Ouch. Oh, that's some body deformity there. Hang on a minute. Kind of back in shape. Bit crumpled. Well, that's it guys, we're at LVC. I hope you enjoyed that one as much as I did. There's going to be more videos on the Maxx with some more upgrades coming, so stay tuned, subscribe if you're not already, and drop us a like if you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.